Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to private Instagram account on Android. So, let's get started. First, open Instagram on your mobile device. Now tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. In your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will open the menu. Then, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the Privacy option. Here, you'll find the option called Account Privacy. You'll see a toggle switch next to Private Account. By default, it's turned off. To make your account private, simply slide the toggle to the right. A confirmation pop-up will appear, then click on the Switch to Private button. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now private. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.